Hi everyone, I am Akash Umakant Biradar. In the learning process of Java, in today's topic, we will learn about variables and its types in Java. Now, variables. Variables is the name of reserved location or reserved values or reserved assigned in the memory location, or it is the name of memory location. now we now that is variable means vary plus abl. It means the values can be changed. It is called variables. Now, types of variables: there are three types of variables. First one is local variable, second one is instance variable, and third one is static variable. Now, the first one is local variable. Local variable is a variable which is declared inside the class and also inside the method, block, or constructor. The local variable is only inside the method, block, or constructor. The outside the method or block or constructor, the local variable, the value of local variable or that variable does not exist or does not aware the outside methods or constructors or block that local variable. Now, method parameter, the variables which is present in the method parameter is also local. Now, within the method or within the block or within the constructor, the local variable is always preferred. There will be first preparation for local variable, and the local variable is never be static. The local variable is never be static, so we can't use static variable before local variable. Now, syntax of local variable: take a class, and inside the class take a method, and inside the method declare a variable like int num or int x int a is equal to 10 0, or simply int num int a b c. Now, instance variable is declared in the class. The variable which is declared in the class but outside the method, block, or constructor is called instance variable. Instance variable is also non-static. It means we can't use static keyword before instance variable. The access of instance variable is throughout the class. The methods, blocks, or constructors which are present in the class, we can access the instance variable, but we can't access instance variable in static method or in static main method directly. But if we want to access the instance variable in static method or static main method, then we have to create object of that. By using object, we can access that instance variable. The values of instance variable or instance variable value copies is distributed to object. It means values are not assigned or it cannot be changed. For example, if we created the object of a class in main method and we call the instance variable num. First of all, we call the instance variable and print it. Then we call the instance variable, the same instance variable, and we assign some value. Then after third time we call the instance variable, same instance variable, and print. After printing the value of instance variable in first time, there will be same as the class, or if we cannot give the value, then that will be the default value 0. The second one, the value print is the given value from developer, the value will print. And third one, also the same value or default value of instance variable is print. After given second time value by in user, there will be no change in the value of instance variable. It means the instance variable values copies is distributed, is not be shared. Now, instance variable is stored in heap memory because instance variable belongs to object and object stored in heap memory. So instance variable stored in heap memory. Now we go to the third variable, which is static variable. The static variable is same as instant variable with a keyword static. It means the variable which is declared as static is static variable. Now the memory location of static variable is happen once at the time of class loaded. It means when the class is loaded, that the same time the memory location of static variable is takes place. Now accessibility of static variable, we can access static variable throughout the class through within the method non-static method and static method. In non-static method we can access the static method static variable, but before local variable we can't use static. It means static variables can't be local. Now in static method or in static main method, if you want to access instance variable, there will be create we have to create object of it, but there will be no need of creating an object of static variable inside the static method or static main method. So this is the all information about variables and its type: local variable, instant variable and static variable. Thank you.